Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about matter in our surroundings. So, we are going to discuss about sublimation, effect of change of pressure on the state of matter, atmospheric pressure, and dry ice. Till now, we have discussed the change of temperature on the conversion of states of matter. So, let us proceed. So, in previous module, we have discussed about sublimation in details. So, sublimation is the process of direct conversion of solid state to gaseous state without changing into liquid state or vice versa. So, let us discuss one more activity to get it more clear. So, activity is like this. Take some camphor or ammonium chloride. Suppose we are taking ammonium chloride. It is sublimable substance. So after taking it, crush it and put it in a china dish. Put an inverted funnel over the china dish. Put a cotton plug on the stem of the funnel as shown in the given diagram. Now heat slowly and observe. What you have observed, students, you must have observed that some vapors are coming out from the china dish. These vapors on cooling get condensed and deposited on the upper walls of the inverted funnel. So, what you can conclude from the activity? We can conclude that ammonium chloride vapors get condensed and change into solid state. That means ammonium chloride can be sublimed or can be purified by the sublimation. The vapors which are coming out from the china dish are of ammonium chloride. So this is one more activity which we have discussed for better understanding of sublimation. So moving further, now the effect of change of pressure on the change of state of matter. So let us begin. First of all, what is atmospheric pressure? The pressure of air in the atmosphere is called atmospheric pressure. The unit of pressure is Pascal. 1 atmosphere is equals to 1.01 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Atmosphere, or we can write ATM, is a unit of measuring pressure exerted by a gas. So, we have already learned the difference in various states of matter is due to the difference in the distances between the constituent particles. Now, my question is, what will happen when we start putting pressure and compress a gas enclosed in a cylinder? Will the particles come closer? Do you think that increasing or decreasing the pressure can change the state of matter? Yes, you can observe from the following given figure. After seeing it, you can say that by pushing the piston inside the cylinder, that is, by applying pressure, particles of matter can be brought close together. This means that the particles are compressed, and if the temperature will be reduced, then the state will be changed from gas to liquid. So, we can say that gases can be liquefied by applying pressure and reducing the temperature. So, when a high pressure is applied to a gas, it gets compressed, and if the temperature is lowered, the gas is liquefied. So this process is known as liquefaction of gases. Like you must have seen in LPG cylinders, the gases are present inside the LPG cylinder in liquid form or in oxygen cylinders in hospitals or some other gaseous cylinders in research labs and industries. Now, you must have heard about solid carbon dioxide. So what is solid carbon dioxide? Dry ice. Dry ice is solid carbon dioxide. It is stored under high pressure. Solid carbon dioxide gets converted directly into gaseous state on decrease of pressure to 1 atm, means 1 atmosphere, without coming into liquid state. This is the reason that solid carbon dioxide, also known as dry ice. So, when pressure on any gas is increased, then the space between the two molecules or atoms get reduced. The compression of the gas makes it solid. During this process, heat energy is released. Carbon dioxide is compressed to get it in solid state. You can see the dry ice. So let us watch a video so to get you more clear. Before that, you are knowing that dry ice is prepared when pressure on any gas is increased. So this it is prepared when pressure on any gas is increased. Then the space between the two molecules or atoms get reduced. The temperature of dry ice is very low, that is minus 78 degrees Celsius. So it is highly recommended not to touch it with the bare hands. So let us see the video. Just now you have seen the miracle of dry ice. It is directly being converted into gaseous state upon putting some hot water into it. And you must have observed that that person is touching the dry ice cubes using gloves in his hand. So it is because of the temperature of dry ice is very low, that is minus 78 degrees Celsius. So this is all about the change of state of matter and the effect of temperature and pressure on it. So in our next class, we will start a new topic, that is evaporation. So what we have discussed today? Today we have learned about sublimation, liquefaction of gases, that is effect of pressure on the change of state of matter, and dry ice. Thank you, students.